Salutare toată lumea, aici David cu voi și astăzi o să ne jucăm FNAF Security Breach. Eu am terminat jocul, dar pentru canalul meu să ne încep de la început, bineînțeles. Și așa că nu uitați să apăsați pe butonul ăsta de like și să îmi dați un subscribe, sper să vă placă. Ok, Fazbear, ok. Ok. Mai la încep de la început, dar nu contează. Da, la început aia. Sper să vă placă și să butonul de like. Prima oară că filmez un joc. Chiar de pe PlayStation 5. O să dau skip, sper că nu vă deranjează. Trecem direct la gameplay. Deja știu jocul ăsta pe de rost, așa că o să fie foarte ușor.
Showtime already? I am experiencing a malfunction. The recharge cycle is not complete.
Shh! Will you shut up?
Who said that?
I did! And down here.
Down where? I still do not see you.
Okay, listen. You were sleeping, so I opened the stomach hatch and climbed inside.
My stomach hatch? That place is reserved for oversized birthday cakes and piñatas. It is not a safe play area.
Da, acum am ieșit din play.
There you are. Scanning complete. How odd. Your guest profile is unknown to me. Who are you?
I'm Gregory.
Da, Gregory, tot sper că știți cum îl cheamă.
I will notify the main office. Connection error. I cannot connect to the main network.
It's her. She cut you off. She's not going to let you call for help until she finds me.
Who? Who is looking for you? Your mother?
Shh! I
No.
hear footsteps!
That is the security guard. She can help.
No! I don't trust her.
Why not?
I don't know who she is, but she's trying to get me. Isn't there some other way for you to communicate with me besides talking so loudly?
Take this. It is a novelty Freddy
Da,
Fazwatch.
Freddy Fazwatch-ul ăla. Așa.
What was that?
I am sending you an encoded message. Hello, Gregory. It is me, Freddy. I will escort you to the main entrance. However, I am unable to leave this room. You should have no problem. There is a button on the wall that will open the door to the back room. I will make it accessible to you now.
Am înțeles. Și noi trebuie să ieșim.
Gregory. There is an open air vent.
Salvez de fiecare dată. Nu există.
You will have to climb through the ventilation system. Release me from the outside.
Asta și facem acum. Hop. Hai, hop. Hop. Bun. Crouch.
Your performance was perfect tonight. Thank you.
Roxanne Wolf, da.
Your hair is beautiful. Your tail is
Continue.
beautiful. Everyone was watching.
Oh, damn. Ce se aude? Ce se aude? Ce nu știm ce e. Continuăm. Ok, aici e Chica. Chiar acolo. Continuăm drumul afară.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for visiting, and we hope you enjoyed the show. Freddy
principessa. Ah, da. Nu. Cred că nu mai știu pe unde. Să Da, încă ești din alea cu audio 3D și se aude foarte ciudat. Aha. Pe aici. Ta-na-na, 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 ta.
Good job. Now, please come let me out.
Acum, domnul. Acum.
Way to go, superstar! I knew you could do it. I know how to get you out of here. Climb back into my chest cavity. There is still
Okay.
time, but we must hurry. If I am spotted, I will certainly be taken back to my room. I will escort you to the main exit through the utility tunnels. It is the safest path.
Okay, but you better be careful moving around. I don't want to be crushed and twisted into a meat pretzel.
Mhm. Ok. Mergem. Pe aici. Ok. Merge, nu-i problemă, merge. Ce? Ce mă sperie. Ciao.
Hello, little boy. If you're down here, say something.
She's down here. We have to go back.
Do not worry, Gregory. Even if we are spotted, you are safe with me. She
Da.
would never suspect we are traveling together.
Da, poate era dreptate, Freddy.
I feel you are broken.
Don't worry
Come on.
about it. I'm fine.
No, I feel that something is wrong. I am taking you to the first aid station.
There's no time.
controlez.
I'm fine.
Ok, trebuie să intru pe Vanessa cu mine.
Freddy, you're supposed to be on lockdown.
Officer Vanessa, I do not know how I got here.
Well, you totally blew it tonight, you know. Your system crashed and you ruined the show. Now, parts and services have you on reduced power. They said as a safety precaution. Just one more thing to deal with.
I apologize.
Okay. Look, we're like 15 minutes from closing and some kid is sneaking around backstage. If you see anything, notify me immediately. I already alerted the others. Now, go back to your room.
Da, cum să nu.
I told you she was after me.
I said nothing. I will keep you safe. Let us go.
Merge. O să... Merge. A, dar nu pe aici, că nu merge. Ok. Mergem.
Where are we?
We are now under the Pizzaplex. These utility tunnels connect all the attractions.
We can go anywhere in the building?
Correct. Fazerblast, Monty Golf, Roxy Raceway. They are all accessible to staff, with high enough clearance, of course. Guests are never allowed down here, but
Păi normal.
yours is a special situation.
Urcăm. Alo, power, eram sigur. Da, mi-am dat seama.
I am terribly sorry. The recharge cycle had not yet completed when I found you. You must continue without me. I will guide you on your fast watch in case you get into any trouble.
I don't know if I can do this alone.
Da, putem, nu sunt o probleme. Salutăm. Bun. Ce Chica, bineînțeles.
It's Chica. Maybe I could distract her with something.
Da, știu instrucțiunile.
This area is off limits.
Stă pe ecran și continuăm. Bun. Am scăpat de partea aia. Din prim. Chiar. Că nu mai știu pe unde. Pe aici? Cred că tot acolo deja, nu? Ok, nu avem treabă aici. Să luăm. Oh, cred că știu partea asta. Ce vreau mă și la momentul ăsta? Fugi, 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 hai, 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 hai. Dai. Nu. Ok. Dai. Ma, fugi, Gregory. Fugi, că vine. Știi, asta chiar e horror. Fugi.
Well
ce
done,
noroc.
Gregory. You found a security office. You should be quite safe here. The doors were designed to keep our highly trained security staff safe in the event of an emergency. As long as the doors stay closed, which they will. As long as there is ample power.
Freddy! The power's only at 15% and they're pounding on the door! How am I gonna get out of here?
Do not panic. You should see an interface on the security desk. Hold on while I make it accessible to you. There. You can now activate security protocols. Your fast watch is now connected. Those boxes on your mini-map are nearby security cameras. When movement is detected by the camera's motion sensors, you should see red alert icons. Switch between the cameras to find a safe path out of the office and to the main lobby.
Găsit. Hai. Salvez. Bun. Fac. M-a văzut, nu-i așa? Nu m-a văzut?
Freddy Fazbear's Mega
Nu am
Pizza
văzut.
Plex is now closed, initiating nighttime protocols.
Cum nu m-a văzut mâncat? No.
No! Wait, I'm still here! Now
Da,
what am
s-a
I
închis.
supposed to do?
How unfortunate, Gregory. You missed your chance. But there is still hope. You should be able to escape when the security doors reopen at 6 a.m. Until then, keep moving and try not to draw attention to yourself. If there is another way out, I will help you find it. I promise.
Ok, păi sper că o să încheiem aici prima parte și na, să strângem peste, nu știu, 10 like-uri și facem și partea a doua, dar mulțumesc că v-ați uitat până aici, am reușit să scăpăm, chiar am reușit foarte bine, ok, foarte bine, așa că da, noi o să ne revedem data viitoare.